Hello, children. Very good morning. How are you all? All are fit and fine? Okay. So, welcome to English class. So, children, in the previous class, we learned letter C and D. Is it? Yes. So, how many letters we learned now? A, B, C, D. Is it? Yes. Letter A, letter B, letter C, and letter D we learned. So, today's class will continue the letter. Letter E and F will learn. How to write in the four line, we'll learn it. Okay? So, take out your four line notebook and take out your pencil. And take out your eraser also. If it is wrong means you can rub and you can write it. Okay. So children, we see here. We wrote A letter in the four line and B letter in the four line and C letter also we wrote in the four line and D also we wrote in the yesterday's class. Is it? Yes. So today's class will write letter E. Okay, I had given the homework also. Letter C and D. Is it? Yes. So, everyone done the homework? Okay. So, today class will write letter E. Letter E will write. Okay. So, write your CW upper class work. Letter E. E for egg. E for eagle. E for elephant. E for eyes. Is it? Yes. See here how I wrote. First line, second line and third line. One standing line and three small sleeping lines. Is it? Yes. So children, in the four-line book, notebook, how to write letter E, we'll see it in the today's class. Okay? See. So I had given the dots here. Can you see? All the lines I had given the two dots up and down. First line and third line. Is it? Yes? So all the lines I had given the two dots up and down. First letter and third line. First line and third line I had given the dots, no? For all the lines. Yes. So children, tell your parents to give like this dot in the two dots in the first line and third line, and help of in the dots you have to write the letter. So then you know how to write letters. Okay? See. Letter E. Letter E. Standing line, is it? So I touch the line, no? Two dots up and down. I had given the dots. Is it? First line and third line. I drag the one line. So standing line I put. And here first line, red line, you have to draw a small sleeping line. Okay. Then second line also small you have to draw. Drag. Put the line, sleeping line. And third line also same. Here is a small sleeping line you have to drag it. Okay. Now which letter it is? E. E for elephant. So say the word and you have to write the letter. Next, same here also. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Letter E. E for egg. Next, same. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Letter E. E for eagle. Okay, next. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Letter E. E for eyes. Yes. Okay. So here also you have to write the same. Okay. Full one page you have to write letter E. Okay. Write. Neatly you have to write. Okay. See, like this you have to write. Letter E. First line to third line standing line. First line sleeping line. Second line sleeping line. Third line sleeping line. Letter E. E for elephant. E for eagle. E for egg. E for eyes. Okay, next. E for elephant. E for egg. E for eagle. E for eyes. Ear. E for ear. Okay, next same here full page you have to write the E, letter E. See, look how I am writing, no, same like that you have to write. Standing line, sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Is it? So I touched the 3 lines, I wrote the letter E, capital letter E I wrote. Is it? Okay. So write next same letter, letter E. Letter E. E for eagle. E for elephant. E for egg. E for ear. E for eyes. E for elephant. E for ear. E for eyes. E for eagle. Do you see? Yes. So like this neatly you have to write it. Okay. Write again. E for elephant. E for eagle. E for eyes. E for ear. E for egg. E for egg. E for elephant. E for eagle. E for egg. So like this you have to say the letter and words and you have to write the letter E. Okay. So take help of dots and you have to write it. Okay. So next page also here you write E letter. This is a homework, letter E. Standing line, 3 sleeping lines. So here also 3 letters you have to write in the one line. Letter E, letter E, letter E. So this is a homework. Okay. Letter we wrote in the classwork, no? So this is a homework to practice it. Okay, next letter F. Now which we letter learned? Letter E. Is it? Yes. So now we'll write letter F. Okay. See how to write the letter F. Here children, standing line, 2 sleeping line. Is it? Okay. See. Standing line, 2 sleeping line. Standing line, 2 sleeping line. Standing line, 2 sleeping line. So this is a classwork. So children, here we wrote standing line and 3 sleeping line. Is it? See, here 1 standing line and 3 sleeping line. 1, 2, 3. And here children, 1 standing line and 2 sleeping lines. Okay. So in the E letter, 1 standing line and 3 sleeping line we we learnt. So here only one standing line and two sleeping lines. Okay, see here standing line and two sleeping line. So which letter it is now? Letter F. Okay. So next here also I put the dots. Is it? Can you see? Yes. It is a clear, no? Yes. So like this you put the dots and help of this dots you had to write the letter F. Okay. Right now. F for fish. F for frog. F for flower. F for fan. So here standing line to sleeping line. Standing line to sleeping line. Is it? Yes. So next also write F for flower. F for fish. F for fan. F for frog. Frog means what? Kappe. In Kannada we'll call kappe, no? Yes. Fish means what we'll call in the Kannada? Fish? Meenu. Is it? Yes. Next, write again. F for fish. F for frog. F for fan. F for flower. What we'll call in the Kannada flower? Who? Who? No? Yes, flower. So again say the letter and words and write it. Letter F. F for flower. F for frog. F for fan. F for fish. Is it? See how I am writing now? Neatly I am writing. So like this you have to write neatly. Okay. So full one page you have to write it. Same you have to copy it. F for fish. F for flower. F for frog. F for fan. Standing line and two sleeping lines. Again. F for frog. F for flower. F for fish. F for next. F for flower. F for frog. F for fish. F for fan. Next. F for flower. F for fan. F for fish. F for frog. Okay. So like this you have to write in the 4-line book. Help of dots. Okay. Without dots you cannot write it. Some children can write and some don't know to write and they don't know to hold the pencil. So first you have to hold pencil like this and you have to write it. Okay. And don't hold like this. Like this. Only you have to hold. Take your pointed finger and thumb finger and like this you have to hold and you have to write it. Okay. So this is a method to holding pencil. Then you have to in the dots only you have to write it and you have to use the lines. First of all I thought in the previous class patterns, standing line, sleeping line, slanting line, curved. Is it? So help of that lines you have to write the letters. Okay. And tell your parents to give the dots. Then you have to write in that dots. Okay. Then you know to perfect writing. Okay. So you have to practice like this. in the next page also. Letter F, you have to copy to homework. Okay, letter F. F for flower, F for fish, F for frog, F for fan. So you have to write in the 3 line. First to third line standing line, first line sleeping line, and second line sleeping line. So which letter? Letter F. Okay. So this is the homework. So today's class, which letter we learned? Letter E and letter F we learned. No children? Yes. So I had given the homework also. You had to complete your homework and you have to send to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.